Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about alignments on Wix.com. Guys, if you want to align any of object or text on Wix.com, then how will you do? Okay, first of all you have to go on tools. Here in toolbar you will see some of suggestions. You have to mark up toolbar and then you have to click anywhere. So now once you get your toolbar on the screen, then you have to select your text or element and then go to this align feature. Just click on it and here you will see some of suggestions for alignment. Like if you want to align left, then you can click on left, and this is the center and this is the right. And if you go with this align to bottom option, then when you click it, it will go to the bottom of the section. And if you align into middle, then it will be go to the middle of the section. By the clicking of top align, it will be go to the top. And you can also move this element by moving the cursor. This is how to set alignment of element on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.